Premium design is all about making every detail feel intentional and refined. Open Canva and create a new product poster with the dimensions that best suit your campaign. Start by selecting a clean background in a neutral or elegant color that complements your product. Open the Elements panel and add a few simple geometric shapes to build a structured layout without making the design feel crowded. Upload your product image and place it in the most prominent area so it immediately attracts attention. Use the Position tool to arrange every element neatly and create a balanced composition. Add a bold headline, a short product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern, professional fonts. Stick to 2 or 3 brand colors for a consistent